What did I tell you guys? That if Bitcoin goes and makes a new all-time high and stagnates, meaning it consolidates, there will be an alt season. Now, if you go check Ethereum, woo, Ethereum is booming. Our target goals are about to get met, and I fucking made a shitload of money. Fortunately, I got out of majority of my position, like 40%. So I still have 60% runners, which I should have fucking still hold it. I don't know why I got out because I saw some sort of bearish move on the BTC. This pushed to the downside. I thought that's gonna affect my trade even more, which it did, but not too much. So I thought, okay, now lesson learned. Lesson. Right. So I told you guys, you can see how Bitcoin is stagnating, is consolidating in a specific range, which I do want it to consolidate. As I said last week, that if we close inside this range, include this weekly fair value gap, I'm looking for this weekly fair value gap to get disrespected and going onto the range low. But keep in mind, something else may happen. If the market consolidates, if Bitcoin consolidates, then alt season, which is already showing a very great sign. If Bitcoin pushes lower, then we could see a correction slash start of the bear market. So using the if then principle, if this then that, if this then that, right? So there's only two outcomes, right? The outcomes are very easy to predict, and yeah. So on the weekly time frame of Bitcoin, I'm not gonna go to the high time frame right now at the moment. With lower time frame, we have weekly ER roll, this weekly I roll, a weekly seated downside. As I said, if Bitcoin consolidates inside its range, it doesn't do much work. It can push slower, but not aggressive. Right? If it just stagnates and consolidates in this specific range, then we can see whole season popping off. Starting from Ethereum. Ethereum is booming. You know what I'm saying? Which I'm very happy out of it because I bought it at 1.4k. You guys remember when I showed you guys the Bitcoin at 1.4k? When I gave you guys the call out at 1.4k. So if you bought 1.4k, right now is at 3.7k. So you already had an over 100% return. Beautiful, right? I had much more than 100%. I did take a spot and I took a leverage. Leverage, I did risk way more. Not way more in capital size, but it was more aggressive because it's haram money, so I can't keep it. But I did risk way more, like fucking X's, right? It was more than 3x, somewhere around a aggressive risk, you could say that. I'm gonna show you guys that because what a fucking care, right? Simple as that. My own business, right? So like, if I make a lot of money, will I give it to you? Fuck no. I will. Like if I do donations, right? But I wouldn't give it to you at all because I'll give it to the Pacific people, like people who are starving, etc., etc. Right? I want to give it to some fucking viewer. Fuck, that's weird. And that's not. It's not weird, but yeah, you're my viewer, right? But you're my viewer, man. You're my fan, head ass, right? But the money goes to people who are in need, like somebody in India, like somebody who need. I was trying to make fun of my boy Trader, but okay, that's not a funny joke. I love my boy. Hey, if you're Indian, I love you, man. I love you, my baya. My. Okay, a little too far. But I said, if we can consolidate, then we can see all season. If we push down aggressive, then we can see a correction or start the bear market. Because market is at all-time high, it could definitely happen. Now going to the currently asset, Ethereum. As I said, we had a 6-month seated upside, 6-month IR back to euro. On the 3-month time for the 3-month seated upside, we just got met. So I didn't profit at all. I'm still holding. I have fucking 60% only left. So I need to, make it worth it. So on a monthly time frame, monthly, as I said before, a monthly time frame would have much here. But on the weekly time frame, we have a weekly IRO back to euro, which already got met. Eventually, we just went up higher from here. And this weekly CRT SMT got disrespected. As I said before, as I said, my last weekly market recap, that I said that if this weekly range gets respected, then we can see lower prices. But in this case, it got broken out of, so we want to see higher prices. So I do want to see the all-time high, a new all-time high around probably like 6 to 7K. Then do some potential push to the downside, because that could happen in a very short time. Old season happens very fucking fast. But on my XRP, I made 6% return on XRP. I didn't make that much. I bought around somewhere here. You know, I didn't make this much, by the way. I didn't make fucking 92%. I made only 6%, 60%, which is beautiful, right? But most of my position was in Ethereum. But yeah, I bought at the low around here, somewhere fucking the OT, right? So I bought it out out of the monthly series upside. But our XRP target got met. We have a 3-month IR back to Euro, 3-month series upside, which already got met, which I have been talking about for the past 3 months, and now it just went to the target. Beautiful. So those who profit out of it, you know, I got to you. On the Solana, with a 3-month CT upside, 3-month kilo tail side, we're still playing this Solana trade, which hasn't been met yet, but it's beautifully going up higher. And over monthly CT upside, which is gonna get met soon, as well as OTE. I've been talking about XRP and Solana, which the XRP performed very well, and that's the one I bought. So yeah, I don't know why Solana is properly enough, but you know, somehow not. But on the total 3, as I said before, we have a 3-month IR by 2 euro, 3-month CT upside, which the general is gonna get met very soon. This is a total 3 excluding Bitcoin and ETH. Now going over to Ethereum, as I said long time ago, 2 months ago, no, 3 months ago, that if we close above this monthly, bearish candle, we're gonna see old season. We're gonna see fucking old season. Guess what? The 12-month CT look at purge, 12-month CT high. The reason why the market, the reason why the crypto, the reason that old season is delayed was because of 6-month CRT. Right, 6-month CRT, March 6-month CRT high got purged. We're going on 6-month CRT low. That's what 6-month. That's why the old season got delayed. But now it's literally on, right? We could definitely see a huge spark on this shit, right? We could see all season start, but I do want to see a lot of people getting trapped, because I want to this bull run. I didn't make a lot of money, but next bull run I'm gonna make even fucking more. But next bull run is gonna be more regulated. No, just kind of ass, but I'm gonna have way more capital by then, right? So yeah, on the multi time frame we have nothing much here. Just want to see fucking big size candle upside. So yeah, see you guys later. This is my weekly market recap, and this is my FNM principle on BTC, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.